This is the story of Walter the farting dog.
Gross!
I will play Billy, Walter's owner.
Cool.
I also play Walter the farting dog.
You gross!
Billy's father is played by my dad Chris. He is sleeping. He doesn't know I'm filming him. He will also play the vet. Without further ado, this is a story of Walter the farting dog. Walter was a wonderful dog, but there was one small problem. He farted a lot.
Oh, gross! Gross!
This dog has to go. Billy, come out here.
Uh-oh. What's wrong with that?
This dog farts morning, noon and night.
So do you. What?
No, I don't. He needs to see a vet.
A vet? All right.
Farting? Rectal flatulence is what we call it in the medical profession.
Oh, brother!
Change his diet.
Okay. They gave Walter all kinds of food, but he still farted.
I've made up my mind. Walter needs to go back to the pound.
No, Dad, please!
My mind is made up. He's going back tomorrow.
Oh no! That night, as Walter slept on the couch, he heard a thief break in.
I'm gonna steal it all!
In that moment, Walter let it rip. It was the worst fart of his life. The thief was knocked out and he was arrested.
Thank you, Walter. You're the best dog, even if you're farting all the time.
Dad, Walter's a hero. Can we keep him?
Of course. He's ours forever.
Walter was so happy. He farted and farted and farted happily ever after. The end.